Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by saving a copy so changes are reversible, then select the exact range or table you want cleaned. Once done, confirm headers are correct because Excel uses them to identify columns. If your data is a formal table, Excel preserves structured references. Otherwise, select contiguous cells with no blank rows. Now move to the Data tab to access the Remove Duplicates tool. This is the first actionable step to eliminate repeated rows quickly and safely. Click Data, then Remove Duplicates and focus on which columns define a duplicate. Only select those necessary so you don't drop unique records accidentally. If you need partial match logic, create a helper column combining values with concat or text join and base removal on that column. Make sure to check or uncheck My Data has headers appropriately. Once your choices are set, run the tool. Excel reports how many duplicates were removed and how many unique rows remain, giving you immediate feedback. After removal, inspect the dataset by sorting and filtering key fields to ensure expected records remain. This confirms the logic you used was correct. If you detect errors, use undo right away or restore the saved copy. Always have that backup for large or critical lists. Make sure to document which columns define duplicates and any helper formulas you used so you can repeat the process consistently. One key troubleshooting tip: if results look off, rerun on the saved copy and test different column selections to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.